to shave. He likes rap. And bananas.
Hey, he's gonna get a haircut today.
I filmed it. That's right. Watch.
I do what I want, I do what I want, and now you ain't got to love me. I do what I want, I do what I want, and now you ain't got to like it. I do what I want, I do what I want, and now you ain't got to love me. I do what I want, I do what I want, and now you ain't got to like it.
Start by tapping your feet, move your neck to the beat like interplanetary. So I grab control of the world through the music, and through the tunage I start the movement. So grab your girl, I'm asking you please, cut a rug to a piece while I MC with ease. Oh, I'm on patrol of the world for the truest. I'm teaching the clueless how it feels to be fluent. Next step is simple, anyone can do it. Just turn up the music and let it run through it. So the flow of vibe stays tight all night. Keep it moving to the left, keep it moving to the right.
Yeah. This is I Killed MC, Jurassic 5, MC, represent. Yo, right, what feeling, call me Dr. Phil. Got the answer to the cure, they call it I Kill. Fill up your drumming with the Philharmonic devices and the spices to make it sound atomic. Music mass appeal, make the people feel good. Move any hearts with the music, set the mood. Feel the vibe, you feel it on the inside.
Honey, I got a favor to ask of you.
You got a favor to ask for me?
Yep, you see, I happen to know that under all that joking exterior...